Dolly Zoom adds interest to your videos by quickly creating sophisticated movement with still images. It's useful when you're making a video and only have still images available. Examples include using AI-generated images, photographs, maps, and graphs. Step 1. Use at least 2 images, one for the foreground and one for the background. Step 2. If your images are tightly cropped, use tools like Midjourney AI or the latest version of Photoshop with content-aware cropping turned on to zoom out your images. This will give you more space to work within your video without reducing the final video quality. Step 3. Delete the background of the foreground image by using a tool like Photoshop. Then replace the background with a uniform color that's not found in the remaining image. The new background can be any color, including traditional pure blue or green. Step 4. Import your still images into your video editor and set the project resolution, aspect ratio, frame rate, and video length to your requirements. Step 5. The key to Dolly Zoom videos is having the background image zoom out at the same rate as you zoom in the foreground image. Step 6. Defocus or blur the background image progressively over the same zoom period so the depth of field appears to flatten. Step 7. Check the composite video and adjust each image's zoom settings and the background image's blur as needed. Step 8. Render your video and you're done. For the details about how to complete a Dolly Zoom video and how this video was made, please click on the link listed in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.